Alright, now let's make this search functionality. Okay, so for this we first need to make a URL pattern. So it is like store/search. Okay, and then we can make this keyword equal to the search keyword like this. It can be anything. Okay, anything you type on the form. So first of all we should make this search search URL pattern. So in order to do that, let's go to the editor, and here let me first close all of these tabs. So for the search we'll go to this store app. Okay, store app and the urls.py file. So here let's add another path here, path search and / comma. Let's make a view for this, views.search comma name equal to search. All right, so this is search. Okay, and one comma here. So we should make this search view also here, views.py, and in the bottom of the page let's make a function define search, and with this let's pass a request. So for now what we'll make what we'll do is return http response search page. Okay, so why I am doing this is because I just want to know this one is working or not, and let's see if we have this http response imported or what. So this is not imported here. So from django.http import http response. Okay, and now we can just hit enter for this search URL. Okay, we have an error now, page not found, no category matches the given query. Okay, so what is happening here is that it is treating this search as a category. So it is happening like this because we are directly passing the category slug here. Okay, after the store we are passing the category slug. So that's why it thinks that this search is actually the category. So this should not happen, right? So to fix this issue, what we'll do is we will just make we will just give a meaningful name after this store. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll go to the urls.py file here, and here you can see this is the category slug. This is for the category, products by category, and this is for the the product detail. All right, so let me show you this, what's happening here. So now when you click on this any of the t-shirt, any of the category, so here you can see this is the category, right? So what we'll do is we will say category / t-shirt. Okay, so if we do this category / t-shirt, so this can be meaningful, right? So that's why, so we will add this category into here. Okay, here, so let's paste this one here and slash. So for the product detail also let's paste this and slash. Okay, so now what will happen is, go to the store and let's go to this t-shirt and see this this category is added here. And if you go inside this product page, and you can see this category, the category slug and the product slug. Okay, so this looks fine. So once this is working, then our search page also should be working. Okay, so now you can see search page is working. All right, So now let's go to the views.py file, and instead of this return HTTP response, let's say return render, and let's render this one also. Okay, in fact we'll copy this. Okay, copy this one and paste it here. So for now let's remove the context from there, and now we refresh. Okay, so this is actually the search page, and here there is nothing, right? So here we need to bring the data, right? So now let's go to the new bar, because that's where this search form is, right? So go to here, and in the templates includes and new bar. So let's find out where is this search. Okay, here it is. So this is the form end, and this is the input text. Okay, and let's first make sure this search form has everything that we need. First of all, action should be our search URL, and this is the placeholder, and this is the text. So in this input we don't have the name, right? We need name equal to keyword. Okay, so when you say name equal to keyword, and then action should be search. Oh sorry, this is URL space search, and save this, and make sure the button we have the type equal to submit. Okay, otherwise it will not submit the form. Okay, so go to this, go to anywhere in the page, because this is the base template, right? This is available everywhere. So here let's type in something jeans. Okay, and click on this search search icon. Now you can see it is going to the search page with the keyword. Okay, with the keyword and the value of jeans. This keyword is coming from this name. Okay, this is the input tag, right? So this is the name. So if you change it to keyword 2, and if you do something here, and you can see the keyword 2 here. So that's how it works. And let's go back to the search page, and here let this be keyword. Okay, so let's say method equal to get. Okay, and now go to views.py file here, and we need to receive what is coming from the URL. Okay, because this is the get request, right? So we will get the values inside the address bar only. Okay, so let's once refresh it, and let's say jeans, and here it is. So we got the keyword and we got the jeans. This is the key and this is the value, right? So we want to take this one first. Okay, this is coming from the get request, right? So let's go to this search function, and here let's say if keyword in request dot get. Okay, keyword equal to request dot get, sorry, keyword. Okay, so what is happening here is we are first checking if the get request has this keyword or not. Okay, if that is true, then we are storing the value of that keyword into the keyword variable. So here it is. Okay, so we are taking this one. We are first checking if the keyword is present or not. If this is present, we are taking its value, that means this jeans. Okay, and storing it inside the keyword variable. Okay, we will be using this keyword variable in future, I mean in this function only, to receive to fetch the details from the database. All right, so next we also want to check if this keyword what we are getting from the URL is blank or not. Okay, if this is blank, then there is no meaning in doing any operations, right? So that's why what we'll do, we'll say if keyword. Okay, if keyword, that means if keyword is, keyword is not blank, I mean the if keyword has something, so that's why we say if keyword. Now products equal to product model dot objects and order by created date. Okay, and we want to search for the products that has this keyword, right? So that's why we'll see filter, and inside this filter, let's say let's search this keyword inside the description. Okay, description underscore I contains equals keyword. Okay, so here underscore I contains means this will look for the whole description, and if it found anything related to this keyword, I mean anything which is jeans, then it will bring that product and show it inside the search result page. Okay, and next, now we got the product, right? So the next thing is, of course, we need to pass this product into the context, right? Context equal to a dictionary and the products colon products. Okay, so this this context will go inside this template. All right, now go back to the search page, and this is of course not working. If you hit enter here, no, not working, because I think there is no product which has the keyword jeans. So that's why we'll find something. Lorem, no, not this one. And no, I think we set all the descriptions same, I guess. So what we'll go to this admin first, we'll change something here, go to the products and ATX jeans. Inside here, let's say jeans. Okay, and save this and go to visit. Okay, so here, and now let's type in jeans and click OK. So now you can see we have the one search result, right? This is not bringing any number here. We'll fix that, that's not a problem. And now if you refresh for this RXN blue shirt or something, shirt or something, it is not bringing the product, because we are only checking for the description, right? We are not checking searching for the this product title, right? So we also should do that. Okay, so go to here again, and this part should change. Now what should happen is it should be like this, okay, or something like this, or product name, right? Product name, let me confirm it. Store models, and this is the product name. Okay, we need to match with the product name, and product name underscore I contains equal to keyword. So like this, if we run, we should be able to see the search result or the product. So even if one of this condition returns true, okay, but this code will not run. So this is not how we use the OR operator in Django. Okay, we can do this comma. Okay, we can do this comma but this is not the OR operator, this is actually the AND. Okay, it will treat this comma as a AND operator because this filter function works that way. Okay, so AND means both of these conditions should be true, then only the product it will return the product. Okay, so at this time we don't want AND operator, right? We want like OR operator. So that's why what we'll do is we will have to bring in something called queue. Okay, this is actually the query set, and like this. Now this pipe symbol and again queue, and wrap it with the this bracket. Okay, and this queue we should bring it, I mean the import it. Let's say from django.db.models import queue. Okay, so if you want to know more about queue, you know, queue in Django, so this actually gives you an idea about this queue. Not here, let me search. See, as it is saying how to use queue object for complex queries. So actually this, all these OR operators and all those stuff, those are considered as you know, the complex queries. So at that moment we use queue. Okay, here if you see how to use queue object for complex queries, you can see here queue first name. So this is how it works. If you want, you can, you know, you can read more about this one. Okay, so I think for this project that is not the main concern. So we want this function to be working now. Let's go to the now refresh. Now let's go to the search and find jeans, and now you can see the query is working fine. So now if you try again, let's say some blah blah and 0, it should be 0 items found, and when there is nothing found in the search page, we should be able to return nothing found or something like that. Okay, so and this one also, this is not our store now because this is the search page, right? We should fix this one. Let's first fix this one. Okay, go to here and search. Okay, so we got the products here. We just need to copy this one. Okay, copy and paste it here, right? And we need to pass this product count to I mean inside this dictionary. Okay, now save this and refresh. Okay, now it is showing the number. It is of course 0 item found. Now let's say jeans, refresh. Okay, we got 2 items. Okay, and this one also, this store, our store should be changed when we are inside the search page, right? Let's go to the store.html, and this is what we are going to change. Okay, so here let's say if search in request.path, then here we need to print the search result, right? Or I mean else this our store, and let's end if. Okay, so indent it and copy this same code and paste it here, and this will change search result. Okay, I think that's it. So what it will do is, if search is in the request.path, that means if it find that there is search in the URL pattern, then it will show the search result. Let's refresh. Okay, now you can see it is in the search page, that means search result. And let's go to the store, and it is showing the store. All right. Okay, and one more thing, the last thing I think is what we need to fix. No, I think we have fixed this one, and we have fixed this one, and I think nothing else to fix here. It is working properly. Okay, now if you search for great t-shirt, let's see, great. Okay, now we have the one product found. Okay, all right. We want to also see if there is nothing found, we should be able to see something like no products found. Okay, so go to here, and in the same store.html, let's see from where the products coming here. In this row, we are looping through the products, right? So before we loop through the products, let's make a if condition. If products, then loop through this one. Okay, and else I mean if no products, right? If this condition fails, then let's say oh sorry, not this one, this should be div and h2. okay, nothing found. Oh, no result found. Let's say no result found. Please try again later. Okay, now refresh. Oh, what is this? End if, sorry. Okay, here we should end if. Refresh, no result found, please try again. So not later, he can try right now, right? Please try again and refresh. All right, I think that's enough for this one, and in the next lecture we will directly go to this product page and start making this product variation. Okay, thank you.